Finally today, Higgsfield Eye and Face Swap have launched, using which you can convert any of your faces into the faces of a footballer or actor. This tool can generate videos with photos. This tool is very easy and increases your workflow. You can follow my steps very well.
Your interface is very good, and in the latest video, Higgsfield explained face swap of the lunches. You can understand my steps very well. Upload your source photo. Upload your target image, generate desired AI image. Using upscale option and enhance your photo. And follow my settings. Follow my steps. Photo converting AI animation video, like this prompt details, check description below. Follow my steps.
liked this video of mine. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.